Hi, this is Shunichi Sekiguchi from Sony R&D Center. In this video, I'll giving you an introduction to nnablaRL. nnablaRL is an open source software library developed by Sony R&D Center. It's a Python package that provides a set of high quality and well modularized implementations of reinforcement learning algorithms. This library is building on top of Sony's deep learning library called nnabla. nnablaRL offers several advantages not only for beginners who are not familiar with RL, but for developers and researchers who would like to evaluate, develop, and build RL algorithms. Let me provide a brief overview of these three key features. First, nnablaRL has friendly API. The users will be allowed to start the training without heavy coding. In the simplest case, 3 lines of Python code are needed to start the training as shown in the example code. Second, in nnablaRL, more than 30 state-of-the-art algorithms are already implemented, so you can easily change algorithms and evaluate them. Third, you can switch reinforcement learning training procedures, that is, online and offline, easily with nnablaRL's API. This feature will help users to fine-tune the policy as shown in this code. You can install nnablaRL via pip command, and we also provide the Google Collaboratory examples for getting started nnablaRL. That's all for the brief introduction to nnablaRL. Please also visit our project's GitHub page to get more details. Thank you for watching.